Good morning, good peoples of the internet. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, plutopassionfruit, and I'm here with another video that y'all did not ask for.
Why the niggas ain't scared?
Okay, let's get this done quick, because I don't want this to be a long video. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to another video that y'all didn't ask for. Today we are doing the Beyonce Cowboy Carter Act 2 vinyl unboxing. So before we begin, originally I had ordered the vinyl, right? But what I got was this one, right? And I was like, I'm real unimpressed. Hold on, let me put this down. I don't know how good the sound quality is gonna be when I put this down, but like I'm putting it down because I need both hands. This was bought first. This was the vinyl that she originally posted. It was like 4 colors: black, white, blue, and red. I ended up getting the white version because I wanted this back cover for it. Boom. You open it up. Oh my gosh. BYNCE. And that's the QR code, everything, boom, boom, boom. I actually have not scanned the QR code. But, I mean, just because I was real unimpressed, I was just like, But this was the white version. I don't know if I already mentioned it. Anyways, now let's get into the official unboxing because I didn't realize that another vinyl was going to be released. I was like, this is just so not what I thought it was going to be. Especially when I bought the other Beyonce vinyl recently for Renaissance. And I was like, oh, this is like a thick, like it's nice. Now this is what I'm talking about. You see that thickness? Do you see that thickness? Okay, so here's the cover. Yes, it's the main cover. We love to see it. So it says it includes a 40-page photo booklet, collectible poster, and double 180-gram vinyl. So excited. Here's the back. I don't know what this is. I don't even know if you can see it because of the glare. I'll take this thing off though. But the back comes with the track list on it. Excited to see like what we have. Oh, this part is blue. I wonder what the Renaissance one is. I wonder what color that one is. But anyways, so this is blue. Let's see what we get. Ooh, is that everything? No, there's still something in there. I don't know where to put everything. I hate doing stuff in my car like this. All right, so here's the poster. Oh wait, let me show y'all the back because it really. Oh, it's Renee. No, not Renee. It's Wait, what was the horse's name? What was the horse named? I don't remember. Because Renee was Renaissance. I don't know. Chardonnay? I can't remember. So here's the poster. That's Beyonce. It's a 24 by 36. I'm probably gonna have to take a picture of this just because it's freaking huge. Oh, I love this backside though. I love this backside. Okay. Hold on, that's the front. And here's the back. Boom, bam, beautiful. Okay, so that's the poster. I'm not even really sure you can see it for real. So here is one of the discs. Okay, front side, back side, giving all-American Queen Bee. Okay, I like it, I love it. Now this one. Here's one side. And then here's another side. I love it. This one's giving Miss Levi's jeans in the denim. Yep. This is giving Miss checkerboard. I don't know. Wait. I wonder what color is the vinyl. I'm thinking black. I feel it's black. Where's the opening? Yeah, so we got a black vinyl. Okay. Yep. Okay, thumbnail. Now, where is the entryway? And this photo book cover is just, wow. Look at her, Miss All-American Queen Bee. Okay, thumbnail. And then here's the back side because you read right to left. So, story time. Thanks to all my incredible fans. God, I give you all the thanks and glory. I'm not going to read the rest. I just wish I could. But you know, I'll give y'all a quick little run. Actually, no, let me look at it first. And I'll show y'all my favorite ones because I'm not going to give y'all everything. So it's just like the Renaissance vinyl photo booklet where it was, what are these? The titles and the lyrics and a visual that goes along with it. That's different because 16 Carriages and Protector have one just whole visual. Let me show y'all. It's just one whole visual on 2 different pages. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, let me go through it. Let me find what I'm really enjoying, and then I'll come back to y'all. photo booklet is really giving 10 out of 10. I don't know what else to say. Sorry, my throat wasn't clear. But photo booklet is giving 10 out of 10. Don't know what else to say for real. Like, she really did what she had to do. Now let's go over one of my favorites. We'll just start from the back because that's what I'm flipping through. We got Amen, and American Requiem. Just love those songs. Love this. The Louis Vuitton outfit. Love it, love it, love it. I'm loving Tyrant. Don't know if you noticed, but like, this is the look that I got in the vinyl that I first ordered. Yeah, loving Tyrant and Sweet Honey Buckin. I don't know if I showed y'all that one, but like, love these looks, love these looks. Where's the other one? Two Hands to Heaven. Oh, I need like the entire photo set. I need the entire photo set for this one. Okay, don't play with me. Beyonce. What? That looks amazing. And then where's Yaya? Yaya, oh gosh. What? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Look, Yaya just eats. Oh my gosh, my friend's here. So I have to cut this short. And alligator tears, okay. Alligator tears. Okay, boom. Overall, 10 out of 10 vinyl. I love Beyonce vinyl packages. They just really do what they have to do. They're really worth every penny that, you pay for it. Definitely recommend go get one. Luckily mine came early because I pre-ordered it. It was, I guess it's just because like, it was supposed to come just a tad bit later than it came, like July 2nd. It was supposed to come July 2nd. I got it in the end of June, so I'm not mad at all. Like, we still in June right now. Got my vinyl. But definitely an investment that you guys should invest in, Invest in Beyonce. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope y'all enjoyed the video, the unboxing. If you want to see me do more album unboxings, I definitely will do them, because I just always am buying albums and vinyls and things of that nature. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you did. And I'll see y'all in the next video that y'all didn't ask for. That was ugly.